Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of voting for your favorite contestant in the Telemundo Votar Miss Universo 2023 competition. Participating in the voting process is a great way to show your support and help your favorite contestant shine. Let's get started. Step 1. Access the voting platform. Begin by visiting the official Telemundo Miss Universo website. You can easily find the voting page from their homepage or by searching for Telemundo Miss Universo voting. Step 2. Select your contestant. Once you're on the voting page, you will see a list of all the contestants. Take your time to review their profiles and photos. When you find your favorite contestant, click on their name or image to select them. Step 3. Register or sign in. If you are a new user, you will need to register for an account. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and create a password. If you already have an account, simply sign in using your credentials. Step 4. Choose your voting method. Telemundo often provides multiple voting options, including online voting, mobile voting, and through social media. Select the method that works best for you. If you are voting through social media, make sure to follow the instructions provided for that specific platform. Step 5. Cast your vote. After selecting your contestant and choosing your voting method, it's time to cast your vote. If you are voting online, click the Vote button after confirming your choice. If using social media, make sure your post complies with the voting instructions. Step 6. Confirm your vote. Once you have submitted your vote, you should receive a confirmation message. This may be in the form of an email or a notification on the voting platform. It's essential to check for this confirmation to ensure that your vote has been counted. Step 7. Repeat and encourage others. You can often vote multiple times, so don't hesitate to vote again. Encourage your friends and family to participate as well. The more support your favorite contestant receives, the better their chances of winning. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide on how to vote in the Telemundo Votar Miss Universo competition. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated on all things Miss Universo.